Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited to share a royal bridal makeup tutorial that will make you feel like a queen on your special day. This look is elegant, timeless, and absolutely stunning. So let's dive right in. Start with the eyes. For the eyes, we're going for a classic look with soft neutral tones. Now moving on to the brows, a defined eyebrow can really elevate this look. So I'm using a brow pomade and an angular brush to fill in and shape the brows. All the product details are mentioned in the video. Now starting with the eyes, I'll be creating a base for the eyeshadow with this concealer, and after setting it with a loose powder, I'll create a smudge liner using Inglot AMC gel liner, and then I'll smudge it with a smudging brush. Then I'll add a rich warm tone brown in the crease to add some depth. Now I'll be using a white eyeshadow just on the inner corners and the lid to open up the eyes and blend it all to keep it seamless. And now finishing the eye makeup with a pair of lashes. Now I'll be using this moisturizer from Bridal to hydrate the face. Now after applying this primerizing oil, I'll use a primer from Laura Mercier to hydrate the face. This is my absolutely favorite primer. Next for correction, I will use a concealer जो कि dupe है NARS Cosmetics का, and it has absolutely same finish, same texture, and I absolutely love it. This one is from Stars Cosmetics. Next, I'll be using a foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This gives me a perfect dewy finish. So I'll be applying it all over her face and blend it with a very light hand. Now to give her face some dimension, I'll not just contour but also bronze her face using this palette. And highlight using a fair concealer. This is from Too Faced in the shade Snow. Now once blended, I will quickly lock it with a baking powder. It's super important to set the concealer as quick as possible to avoid oxidizing it. Now after setting, I'll quickly complete her lower lash eye makeup using a nude pencil on the waterline and using the same eyeshadows. Next up, I'm using my favorite blusher from Valentino. This is absolutely worth the hype. It has a great pigment and very long lasting. Next, I'll quickly lip line before diving in with a lipstick. This lipper is from Kiko Milano and I have mixed it with Huda Beauty Baby Doll. Now instead of spraying fixer directly on her face, I'll apply it with a blender and set her whole face. Following with face highlighting, using Dior Face Glow palette, it gives me a very natural glow for a minimal effect. And there you go lovelies, this is our final look. Very minimal, very fresh, very rosy. Royal bridal look. I hope you guys liked it and see you in the next one. Bye bye.